Hello, I'm Zhiguo. Welcome to the presentation on Industrial and System Engineering program. To help you better understand what is ISE, I would like to explain what do industrial and system engineers do. First of all, what is a system? A system is a set of things that are working together or interacting with each other. As we can see, system exists everywhere in our daily life. The university is a system, the hospital is a system, the bank is a system. As a system engineer, we are interested to study how does the system work and think of ways to improve its efficiency. In particular, we focus a lot on the system optimization. That is, instead of looking at each individual component of a system in isolation, we take a holistic view of a system and ensure that all components of system work harmoniously to achieve the optimal goals in productivity, quality, cost competitiveness, safety, or sustainability. And I would like to give you one example, which is a project done by our own ISE student. In this project, our students work very closely with one of the airline catering companies to help improve their food processing and storage system. The diagram you saw on the slide is the digital twin simulation that our student created to model the operational process of the in-flight catering facility. By studying the system, our students apply the knowledge they learned from ISE courses, including simulation, system design and dynamics, data analytics, operations research, and project management. And they propose a system optimization solution to help the company to improve their food packing and processing efficiency. And we are called industrial and system engineering because we are very passionate about solving industrial problems. And the industrial problem that we solve lies in various domains and areas. For example, healthcare, finance, technology, energy, shipping, airport, logistics and supply chain, e-commerce, and many others. And there are two highlights of our program. First, we offer our students a future-proof, career-ready curriculum. Under the ISE general umbrella, we also offer 3 areas of specializations. And our curriculum is well designed to train our students with all the essential skills they need to prepare for the future career. Some of the core and most popular modules we offer include system thinking and design, data analytics, machine learning and generative AI, engineering economics, project management, and operations research. And the 3 areas of specialization we offer include, first, the supply chain analytics, second, the data analytics and decision intelligence, and thirdly, the sustainability analytics. And apart from the study, our departments also offer students various opportunities to get immersed with industrial working experience through system design projects and internship. And secondly, we want to offer our students with a vibrant and rich university experience through student life and overseas exchange experience. Now I'm going into the details of each of these components. And this is the overview of the design of our ISE curriculum. Now I'm going to explain each of these pillars. First, data analytics. In order for us to improve the system and solve the industrial problem, we need to first have a good understanding about the system. And that's where data analytics will come in. And our students are well trained with all the data analytics skills, including data visualization, data mining, machine learning, and computer programming. Once we have a good understanding about the system, we are going to apply some of the system modeling tools to actually help us to simulate some of the scenarios, as well as the potential outcomes with several interventions. This is where we can conduct the sensitivity analysis and what-if analysis. And thirdly, optimization. We are not satisfied with just providing a feasible solution, but rather a more optimal solution. Whenever a company or organization are faced with several different decision options to choose from, we are the one who come in to help them to evaluate and identify the best strategy to apply. And lastly, our students are equipped with the expertise of management principles and financial decision making. And some of the courses we offer to our students include project management, engineering economy, and cost analysis, and quality management. And at the end of the day, all these will lead to the decision making, which is the ultimate goal of most of the companies or organizations, either being maximize their profits or minimize their costs. And to summarize our methodical approach of industrial and system engineering, I would like to use these 5 keywords. First, we analyze the system. Then, we propose a model to simulate the scenario. Then, we come up with some innovative solutions to solve the problems or improve the system. And out of all the alternative options, we try to find the optimal solution and reach the final decision. And here are some of the courses that we offer, including statistics, data analytics, generative AI, engineering economics, operations research, system thinking, computer programming, and project management. Under the general umbrella of the major, we also offer these 3 different areas of specializations based on students' interests. The first one is supply chain analytics. This is where the students get to learn more about the supply chain modeling. Some of the courses they need to take include advanced operational research, price and revenue management, supply chain and logistic modeling, facility layout and design. Second, the data analytics and decision intelligence. This is the specializations for those students who are interested to become the business analysts or data scientists in the future. So they get to learn some more advanced courses in machine learning, generative AI, decision analytics, and forecast and predictive analysis. And the third one is sustainability analytics. This is where students get to learn more about emission accounting and system analysis, energy system modeling and optimization, carbon market models, and mechanisms. And our department also offers an independent study course. This is for those students who want to get some early experience in doing academic research. Through this module, our students will work closely with one of the department supervisors to solve a research projects. And the aim is to train our students with critical thinking and independent research abilities. And apart from the normal curriculum, our departments offer various opportunities for students to get immersed with industrial experience. And one of the capstone projects that our students work on is called the System Design Project. And this project spans over 2 semesters, and the students will get to work as a team of 4 to 5 members, and they're going to work directly with one of the industrial collaborators. And they will be under the guidance of one academic supervisor from the department and one industrial supervisor from the collaborating companies. And our department have a lot of collaborating partners. Of course, I'm not able to list all of them because of the space limitation. Here, I just list out some of them. As you can see, we have a diverse range of industries, and our students get to explore their career interests, and many of our students even secure a job offer after this industrial experience. And to find out more, do scan the QR code to have a look at all the past student projects done by our own students. Our department also hosts a Center of Excellence in Modeling and Simulation for next generation ports. The aim of the center is to develop leading research in logistic, modeling, simulation, and optimization in the next generation ports. And our department works very closely with the professors and researchers in the center to craft out interesting internship and project opportunities for our own students. Also at ISE, we try to promote the study and life balance. And founded in 2002, ISE Club is a student organization which are managed by our own students to try to promote a sense of belonging within the community. They organize several welfare and social events throughout every semester. And NUS ISE undergrads will have the options to go on student exchange program to a lot of the top universities in the world. Just to name a few: Oxford, Cambridge, Georgia Institute of Technology, Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, Tsinghua University, and many other top universities in the world. By the time of graduation, at least 45% of our undergraduates will have at least one overseas experience, either through the student exchange program, summer or winter program, or the NOC program. And on behalf of the faculty members in the ISE departments, I would like to welcome all of you to join us. I hope to see you soon in the school. To find more about us, do scan the QR code to look at our department website. Also scan the QR code to find out more about other CDE programs. Thank you.